Sauteed potatoes are so delicious and always make a fantastic side dish with everything we eat. I'm Hani Maroof, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing sauteed potatoes that will complement all your dishes and will make them more exciting and fun to eat. Many types of potatoes can be sauteed, but if you want the best sauteed potatoes ever, always use waxy yellow potatoes for sauteing. I have here 5 beautiful medium-sized yellow potatoes, and I'm gonna start by chopping them into half and then cut every half into 3 wedges. If you have different sized potatoes, cut them to the size that makes good looking and reasonably sized pieces. Once you're done with the cutting, start cooking the potatoes in hot boiling water. Use a pasta colander to cook the potatoes in the water, and when it's time to lift the potatoes off the water, you will need to lift the colander up and the potatoes will be drained in a few seconds. Before you start cooking the potatoes, add some salt to the boiling water and cook the potatoes for 4 minutes or 5 minutes only. After 5 minutes, use a small paring knife to check the doneness of the potatoes. You want the potatoes at this stage to be just cooked, not fully cooked, because you're gonna continue cooking these potatoes in the next stage. Drain the potatoes from the water and left them to cool down for 30 minutes. Once the potatoes are cooled down, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to the pan and on medium to high heat, start cooking the potatoes on one side. You always want the potatoes to be cold when they hit the pan to become crispy and delicious. If the potatoes were hot and soggy, they will burn, not crispy. While the first side of the wedges is cooking, press the 3 cloves of garlic on the potatoes, not on the pan, to protect them from burning. Flip the potatoes to crispy the other side and add a cube of butter to add an extra layer of buttery flavor to the potatoes. The heat will caramelize the butter and will give your potatoes an incredible flavor. While the second side of the potatoes crispy on the heat, remove the leaves of the rosemary sprig, chop them using a sharp knife, and sprinkle on the potatoes. The rosemary leaves will do their magic and will give the potatoes fragrant and fresh flavor. Finally, add some pink Himalayan salt and some freshly ground black pepper. This simple seasoning will enhance the taste and will make your potatoes very delicious. Give the fry pan a quick shake to mix all flavors and serve with your favorite meals. These potatoes will be so interesting to eat and they will complement any dish you make. Now it is time for me to enjoy these potatoes. As usual, I'm gonna try and tell you my experience. First piece. This is actually very good. They are crispy from outside and properly cooked from inside. The flavors in these potatoes are amazing. The flavors from the caramelized butter with the Himalayan salt and the freshly ground black pepper with the rosemary make these potatoes a dish by itself. Please try this recipe and tell me in the comments below what would be your favorite meal to eat with these potatoes. I will try your ideas and tell you my opinion in the responses here or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. I hope you like this episode. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit!